These Steiner Military-Marine 10x50 binoculars deliver bright, sharp views that feel very close to what you get from true service-issue field glasses. The combination of 10 times magnification and large 50mm objective lenses makes them excellent for glassing across wide valleys, open water, or hilly terrain, even as daylight fades. Once the individual eyepieces are set, the focus stays crisp from medium distance out to the horizon, which is ideal when you are constantly scanning and do not want to keep fiddling with a focus wheel. Their shock-absorbing prism mounting and tough polycarbonate body with thick rubber armor give them a reassuringly rugged feel that stands up well to hard knocks and rough travel. The housing is sealed against water and harsh weather, so they keep working reliably in rain, spray, and cold conditions that would sideline more delicate binoculars. Backed by a long-term manufacturer commitment to repair or replace defective units, they are a confidence-inspiring choice for serious outdoor and marine use.